Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. I want to show you how to make a simple dress look amazing and interesting. Have a look at the dress. The fabric is absolutely amazing. It reminds me of Gucci style. The thing is that the design is very simple. We haven't changed anything in the basic pattern of a bodice. The sleeves are also very simple. We made 2 pin tags on each side of a sleeve to make it look interesting. There is also a tiny 1 cm pin tag on the sleeve head. Due to the pin tags, the sleeve looks like it's a bit gathered. Very beautiful. There is an invisible zipper on the back. The dress is not lined. The most interesting detail in this dress is the piping. I've already showed you how to attach it. What's more important, I showed you how to make it. If you can't buy a needed piping in a shop, make it. The design of the dress is very simple. Regular bodice, waist seam, box pleats on the skirt. The pleats are 4 cm wide. There are 4 pleats on the front and 4 in the back. The 8 pleats make the skirt look absolutely amazing. In the tutorial about a multifunctional dress, I showed you how to make such tiny loops. We didn't want to spoil the view with a regular white belt loop. Such details look very beautiful. The belt is buttoned. Now have a look at the dress on the table. I've already showed you a lot of different types of dresses. This one is very simple. I strongly recommend you making such dresses. The bodice wasn't changed at all. There are 4 pin tags in each sleeve and 8 pleats in the skirt. There is also a waist seam. The wrong side of the dress is also pretty simple. We edged the seams with an overlock sewing machine. Even the neckline facing is edged with an overlock. This is how the belt looks like from the right and from the wrong sides. The piping is of a very beautiful color. If you haven't watched the video about how to make pipings, do it. This is a very useful technique. We attached piping to the belt, neckline and sleeves. You can see that the piping makes the dress look absolutely different. You can make a piping of any color you like. I think that green one is perfect for this dress. If I was making this dress for myself, I would add lining at least in the skirt. I prefer lined items. Anyway, a customer asked us not to make lining, so we didn't. I wanted to have a close look at the wrong side of this dress for you to understand that this dress is very simple. Of course, you can make such dress of single-colored fabric. You can also make it of any fabric you like – cotton, crepe, wool. I hope that you like the design. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Please subscribe to my channel, write comments and share the videos. Press the like button if you find my tutorials useful. Thank you. Goodbye.